Alright guys, so you know how it's breast cancer awareness month. You know, I had to represent one time. Shout out to 101 Streetwear that I got a sneaker car. Are you representing for the ladies this month?
I have pink in my shirt and I have boobs, so.
You're right. Let me check them.
What?
They look alright.
You're mad annoying.
You gotta check, fellas. Check your ladies, especially in October.
I can't get it. Can you get it for me?
There we go. Handyman.
This is so cute for like Christmas. Like that.
That is nice though.
This is pretty though. Polish.
I see you every time.
It's like a cookie jar. Oh, look at that. It's like a gingerbread house. That is so cute. Oh, look, worth melting for. That's so cute. I love Christmas.
Hey y'all, so apparently Crystal doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving. You know, the time when you're with family and love and togetherness. You don't like that holiday, huh?
What holiday?
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it's not my favorite. Y'all, let's be honest. Thanksgiving is cool. Yeah, your family, woo, thankful, food. But after that, it's just like, Christmas is where it's at. You know, Halloween is where it's at. You dress up, you know, everything. Thanksgiving, we just gonna sit around the table and eat. We could do that any day. Hey, look, it's a soap dispenser for Christmas. Look, this one, look at the gingerbread.
Shower curtain?
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it to get it or to wait?
I actually like it to get it.
Polish?
Yeah, I'm a shopping cart. You know, it's a hooper you can't resist. You know what I'm saying? Watch the shot. Later.
Oh, wait, look. Where's my horoscope?
They don't have it. Because they don't respect you.
That's what?
That's why you ain't got no cup. I'm pretty sure they got Leo.
Nobody care about no dusty ass Leo. Watch out.
Hold on, let me check. Let's see if they got Leo. Aquarius, Cancer. Man.
Mad height over a cup that you not getting.
Yeah, that's why you didn't get Virgo. See, I can get the cup if I want to because it's my birth month. You got to pre-order or something. Comment down below, y'all. Is Blu-ray DVDs out of style?
Nobody watch DVDs no more.
I'm saying though, like, cause you know how sometimes your Wi-Fi go down, but you want to watch a movie.
No, nobody ever said like, hey, wait a minute, let me get my DVD player. Nobody said that.
People still own DVD players.
Nobody ever.
Or Blu-rays. What's wrong with Blu-rays? What's wrong with Blu-rays? She a hater, y'all. She a hater. I still like a DVD player. All right, guys. The main attraction: Home Goods.
So we can spend some more money. Run it up. Run it up.
Ah, you know my stomach hurt. Could we go home? You know, I actually forgot my wallet. That's crazy. And my Apple Pay don't work. So according to Crystal, our apartment's a little too boyish. So she says she wants some pow. She wants some blah.
I didn't say it like that, but
Well, you say you want some like
some razzle dazzle.
need some razzle dazzle some.
Need some sauce.
I need some sazon,
Yeah,
adobo. I need some. It's like when you cook eggs without seasoning. It's good. It works, but it's like need a little flavor. You know what I mean? So well, we got some here before, but then what we got
it
there
didn't
was
work.
we was just like.
It wasn't matching. It didn't pass the vibe check.
Matter of fact, I think it was that one.
What?
Oh no.
No, that's not it.
Is this past the vibe check?
So far, no. You might have to take a trip to At Home, your favorite store. Because At Home, they got like tons and tons of artwork.
So what you said this peanut was?
For your grandmother back.
Grandma, she disrespectful, ain't she? All right, we're at home. We're checking out all the wall decor. Fate, that's why. That's like a favorite song or line by Cardi B right now. Well, they got a whole line, like all the way down there is where it stops. But pretty much all of this is they wall decor.
Oh my. Pumpkin soup.
This is giving pumpkin soup. I feel like this. Chloe, I'm not the decor person. Because if it was me, I'd choose any one of these.
I know you would. Nothing. Girl, you know
Comment down below, y'all. Y'all think this is nice? I think it's nice.
No.
I don't think she's feeling any one of them in here. In other words, y'all, it has to speak to her. And if it don't call her name, then it's like you're not for me. So
Low vibration.
I hate that term, man. We're back in the Christmas section, huh?
Look at these. Could be by the door. 34, not for $34 though. Look at some like placing the bulbs on the tree. No. Oh, aren't these colors cute together? You don't like these colors?
Yeah, it's nice together.
Those are cute. Oh, look at Winnie the Pooh. It's an ornament. Oh, look, they got Winnie the Pooh and Harry Potter. Oh, that's so cute. And they next to each other because they knew. They knew.
For all the new people or people that don't know, Crystal's like 2 favorite children like movies and stuff is Winnie the Pooh and Harry Potter. So y'all can write down in the comments, grow up. You know the words.
This is cute. Oh, I need a front, what is that?
Front yard.
Yeah, so I can put. Everybody comment down below. What's your favorite holiday? Out of all the holidays, like what's your favorite? What's the #1 holiday?
Thanksgiving.
I guarantee you in the comments, everybody gonna be like Christmas.
Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. We love Thanksgiving.
No. Because like on Christmas you get the best of both worlds. Like, okay, you get family time, y'all get to have a good meal. And then like it's just a gift that keeps on giving, you know? Like,
well, we love Thanksgiving over here.
and it's not even about the gifts, honestly. It's like, yeah, the gifts are nice, but I just like the spirit. I like the decorations, the Christmas lights, the music. Like, it's just the vibe. Like, you don't hear nobody singing about Thanksgiving. Or maybe in church, because, you know, oh, I'm thankful for me. Whatever.
Anyways, y'all, comment down below what's your favorite holiday. Mine's, you know what? I say Christmas is up there. It's not #1 for me, but
like
it's top 3.
I know you probably like, hell no. Like, I wouldn't be mad if I had a kid on Christmas. The only time I think I would really be mad about it is like the actual Christmas when it comes, because it's like instead of being at home enjoying Christmas, I'm like in pain. Like,
yeah, I can see that. Watch out.
this is low vibrations because you don't even get my door every time.
That's what I'm getting right now.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Yeah, chivalry.
It's dead.
It's not dead.
Don't try to kill me.
I'm not. There you go. See? And I even leave the door open for her so she gets some wind, because it'd be hot. Look at them. Look at me being civil. Look at me being chivalry, all chivalry. Men, step your chivalry up. All right, guys, we're in Ikea once again.
For the 2000th time.
I think out of all the home stores or like home decor stores, we've been in Ikea the most. Outside of Ikea, I would say Home Goods.
We've been here a lot. Too many times.
But yeah, we actually came here because we actually know what we're getting. Definitely getting this rug that Crystal liked. You know, just to razzle dazzle the place. We saw this like dresser and nightstands that we want for the bedroom as well. Probably gonna get that one like next week. We'll show y'all what it looks like when we get to the
Lord, y'all gonna
back to the crib.
Y'all gonna build with us, y'all.
Oh goodness.
We gonna build, literally.
Fit check, y'all. Y'all see me, Spark Boys. Shout out to my guys, Spark Boys. See me in October, breast cancer awareness. I see the kicks. I think it's like midnight, I'm pretty sure. Right now we're building up our nightstands. Chris over there, building up a nightstand. Bob the builder over there.
You know, it's just one of my mini trays.
By this rate, we should be done by 3 in the morning. So
You laughing? That's not funny.
it's not funny. I'm really tired. It doesn't seem that complicated. Good morning, y'all. So we actually didn't finish the dressers or the nightstands. We woke up this morning. Chris wants some bacon, so I'm making her some bacon because you know me. I'll be cooking. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna get to cooking this bacon for Chris, and then and scrambled eggs. And I'll make some scrambled eggs too. My famous scrambled eggs. All right, y'all, finished product. We got the applewood bacon over here, some eggs here. Crystal likes it with a little syrup. Crystal also like a little black pepper. You know what I'm saying, fellas? You gotta treat your queen. You know what I'm saying? When she says she wants something, you gotta make it right. Here you go, beautiful.
Thanks.
Awesome. All Alright, update y'all. It's coming together.
Update. I killed my pinky.
She
It's under commission. I don't know.
gotta take a little pause because it's my pinky, but I'm proud of her. She did this by herself. Look at that. It looked like Ikea built it itself. I'm proud of you. Anyways, like we said before, we started last night and stopped halfway, but listen, it look crazy right now because we changing up a lot of stuff. We got Christmas stuff in the back that we gotta like put away. Changing the rug in the living room, building and stuff, so it's like boxes and everything all around, so excuse the mess.
We were watching Raising Cadence, so we had to stop. It was like 2 o'clock this morning. Our neighbors probably was pissed because we was using drills and stuff. But if you watch that show, comment down below.
But I get on it because I wasn't on it for a while and Crystal put me on it. But now it's like I'm caught up and it's good. Anyways, we're gonna update y'all when it's finished. We're just taking a little halftime break. You know what I'm saying? Get her pinky healed. We're back to it. And we're gonna show y'all the finished products. Blam! Alright guys, literally 24 hours. It has been 24 hours, right? We started this last night. After 24 long hours, we finally finished it. Right now it looks kind of like this is there. Obviously we're gonna spray paint it eventually. Crystal says she wants to put some handles on it. You know what I'm saying? Like spice it up a little bit, give it a little razzle dazzle. But essentially, we're done with both of them. I don't want it to just feel boyish. I want her to feel kind of girly too. So still a lot more to get done, but I'm just glad that this part's over with because let me tell you, 24 hours labor is not a joke, even though this should have been done a long time ago. We're gonna close this out. We're gonna wrap up. You wanna say good night to the people? You wanna say goodbye?
Get me in my bonnet.
Anyways, y'all, make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.